Amanatdaar Welfare Trust's Dastarkhan
serves freshly cooked and hygienic meals at a symbolic cost of 10 rupees in low-income neighborhoods. Through our ration bag initiative, we provide essential food items that can sustain a small family for up to a month.
Taaleem Pakistan School is a project by Amanatdaar Welfare Trust.
It is an initiative where underprivileged children who cannot attend formal education due to financial constraints are given the opportunity to study. We provide free education, including free admission, books, uniforms, and stationery supplies for the entire year. Our hand pump and water well boring projects help underserved communities with no access to clean water.
We provide water coolers and jerry cans that can be used to store and transport drinkable water. Amanatdaar helps
women and men start small businesses and be self-sufficient.
Through our emergency relief efforts, Amanatdaar provided immediate relief and support to communities affected by floods, earthquakes, and other emergencies. Our dedicated team ensures food, shelter, clean drinking water, and medical aid reach to those in need, helping rebuild lives and restore hope in hardship. Amanatdaar organized a mobile clinic to help deserving people.
More than 1,500 underserved women and children got free doctors' consultations and medicines for a period of 7 days.
We continuously work with orphans with the aim to provide skills for their better future.
बहुत महंगाई है भाई, नहीं समझ में आता है कि पूरा कैसे करें। गाड़ी में गैस डाले या पेट्रोल डाले, फिर घर के खर्चे अलग, आटा देखो कहाँ पहुंचा हुआ है, तेल देखो कहाँ पहुंचा हुआ है, कोई चीज काबू में है।